Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with no flow from the bulb head. And when I test the machine, I found out this water pump is broken. Look at that. It is from 2014. And the air valve, the OPV, overpressure valve, also broken. So I replaced it, and after that, when I was testing the machine, I want to make a video for it. I noticed there is a weird sound, so it is this solenoid assembly. So I just replaced it, and let's go ahead and test the machine, make espresso shot on it. Needs calibration a little bit, but that's easy. I just want to test it to show it pulls. Let me take some water from the group head. This is the pre-infusion. That's good. Now let's pull a shot. Got the pressure, that's perfect. And it's giving really perfect shot from this Breville. There you go. Look at that, 3 layers of coffee, thick crema. So let's test the hot water. That's good. And the steamer, that needs a little bit until it gets ready because the system has some water in it. So everything functioning perfect in this machine. Thank you for watching.